Okay, class, we are going to start chapter 3, which is using tools of geometry. You will need a protractor or a straight edge and a compass to do all of the constructions needed for this chapter. The first constructions that we are going to learn how to do are copying a line segment and copying an angle. So if you go to my web page, you will see all of the constructions that we are going to do there. If you will click on copying a line segment. If we hit next, it'll take you through the steps of copying a line segment, which is our first construction. So the first step is the line segment that we are going to copy is line segment PQ. So we want to make a point R that is going to be the start of your new line segment. So just put any point R on your piece of paper. The second thing you want to do is put your compass pinpoint on point P that you're copying, and you want to stretch the pencil point to point Q. So it is the length of the segment that you are copying. Do not change the setting of your compass. Pick your compass up and put the pinpoint down where R is, and then make an arc so that your new segment is going to be the same length. Put the point S on your line segment and then take a straight edge and draw on the segment. So line segment RS is congruent to line segment PQ. Notice the tick marks showing that they are congruent segments. If you will scroll down in this application, it does walk you through step by step of the exact same thing that we just did. So you may want to practice this a couple of times, and then there is actually a proof below that. The next construction that we are going to do is copying an angle. So if you will click on that application, we are going to copy an angle. So you need to start with an angle that you're going to copy. In this case, it's going to be angle BAC. You want to mark a point P to be the vertex of the new angle that you're going to make. So just put a point somewhere and call it point P. We want to draw a ray to be the base of our angle. We're going to call it ray PQ. Now you want to use your compass. So put your pinpoint on point A, draw an arc across the angle. So watch how it's done there. The arc is drawn. The intersection points are labeled J and K. Now pick your compass up and make the same arc down on the angle that you are constructing and make the intersection point point M. Now it's time to measure the width of the angle that you are copying. So pick your compass back up, put one pinpoint on K and your pencil point on J, and keep your compass set at that same width. Pick it up, put your pinpoint on M, make an arc, label the intersection point point L, and then take your ruler and connect points P through L, making a ray, and then making angle RPQ congruent to angle BAC. Notice the tick marks there showing that these two angles are congruent angles. Again, the step-by-step instructions are below, so you can walk through them again, or you can play the video as often as you need to. Your homework is to do numbers 1 and 4 on page 147. Both of these exercises use these applications and constructions. Make sure you're comfortable doing them, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.